Hi guys, what's up? My name's Kaylee and welcome to my first official YouTube video on this channel. So recently I've been watching a lot of the Brad Mondo hairstylist reacts and spending a lot of time on TikTok too because we've been in quarantine and it's just kind of addicting, honestly. So in this video I'm going to be dyeing some pink strips in the front of my hair, doing my makeup, and I'm going to be picking out an e-girl inspired outfit. So I'm really excited for it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna go in with some Blondor and we're gonna use 20 vol. My hair is pretty dark right now, but it's a little compromised. It went through a lot recently. It's been like brown for a couple months, I think. So I mean, I kind of left it alone for a little while. So we're hoping that she doesn't break off and that everything ends up okay. But honestly, I love the brown hair. I just feel like I need like a little more color in there. So you can see my bangs are pretty short in the front. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit. So we're gonna try to section that out right now. All right, y'all. So I sectioned this front part off. I tried to get it as even as possible. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. So I'm gonna go in right now and I'm just gonna do more of like the mids to the ends. We'll just leave it on for a little bit before we go up and actually do the roots because the roots are gonna process faster. I'm just gonna make sure this is like fully saturated as much as possible. And then I'm gonna let it sit for, I don't know exactly how long, maybe like 10 or so minutes, maybe less, I don't know. I'm gonna see how it's lifting and then I will be back. And I'm gonna put a foil under this. I don't want my eyebrows to die. All right, y'all, and we are back. So I've left it in for probably about like an hour or so right now, maybe like an hour and 10 minutes. But this is basically how it looks. I'm actually surprised it lifted pretty well from what I can see. Not sure, but so I'm gonna rinse it, wash it, and then I'm gonna come back and we will put the color on. Going in with Pulp Riot in the shade of Cupid. Okay, so just gonna do this, kind of squish it up, put it up there. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for probably about like 30 minutes or so and just let it process, and I will see you guys when I get back. Sorry, I burped there for a second. I apologize. Okay, I'm trying to get this glove off because I'm not gonna touch my phone with this glove. What's up, people of YouTube? I am back with the results from dyeing my hair. I'm really happy with the pink, honestly. I like it a lot. It's a little more faded now because it's been a few days, so I've washed it a couple times. But overall, I'm really happy with it. And of course, I dyed some extensions pink too so that I can wear it with brown extensions because I just like to wear extensions in my hair. But now I'm gonna get on to the makeup portion. I know that a lot of e-girls wear like a lot of blush, highlighter, winged eyeliner, fake eyelashes, all that stuff. So I'm probably just gonna do a time lapse of me doing my makeup right now, and I'll see you guys back here. Guys, this is the finished makeup look. I feel a little bit silly with hearts under my eyes. I don't know, it's not my look, but I mean, it's cute. It's a cute makeup look. I like the rest of it. I like the eyelashes and the lips, and I feel like it's not as blushy as I was going for. I don't know, in the mirror it looks really blushy, but in the camera it doesn't, so I don't know. But anyways, the next step is gonna be picking out my outfit, so I'm gonna go do that. All right, you guys, and this is the finished look. I actually really like this outfit. It's not something I would like wear on a normal day, but I still really like it. This is like a shirt from Amazon. It's a silly shirt, but it's cute. I like it. And then I don't have any fishnet shirts, but I have this like slit, like cut up shirt. I got like the baggy Avril Lavigne jeans and this belt from Target that has a chain on it. I love this a lot. And I'm gonna insert a clip after this of like the whole outfit so you guys can kind of see everything. And yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And that was the video. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any requests of things you want me to do, you guys can comment down below. I would love that. And I will see you guys next time. Hope you have a great day.